please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm opening a 2022 Series 1 Tops. Let's see what kind of period treasures I can find. Please like and subscribe to this video. Help me out. We do different things for this channel. This your part. Oh, loose word. That's cool. This card's worth a good amount of money. Oh, Mike Whiskey. Not sure who that guy was. Some of these cards are all in different directions. This is what they kind of look in the back. Well, here goes Howell. Too bad the Red Sox are in last place. Last time I looked, I think Giants are in third place. So, okay, you got your little team right here. Winning beaters. First team pitchers. Everybody excited. Good, they all got Koba. Oh, cool. Yeah, one of the best players right now. Good. Imagine have like 190, 98, 96 wins, only 70. I'm sorry, I really looked at it wrong, but 70, yeah. I can't read. I need my glasses. And then the last one. Okay. Ooh, look at this one. Shiny. Not numbered. Oh, it's numbered. Oh, I got number one. Okay. Out of 125. It's number 125 out of 499. Okay, I got number one. So I got a hit on this one. That's cool. And then I got this. Oh, look at this young man. Beautiful, attractive young man. So like and subscribe, let me know anything. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.